Magandang morning sa inyo lahat mga kabaliwan. Welcome to another day 1 motorcycle modification. So I'm sure you are very familiar with this bike here. This is my Yamaha RS 110 4-stroke motorcycle, commonly known as Yamaha Crux in some other countries. And I converted it into a scrambler. So, you might be asking, what happened to my Yamaha RS 100 2-stroke motorcycle? I actually sold it to Sir Angelo. This is Sir Angelo. Okay guys, mga kabaliwan, the new owner ng ating black style RS 100 ay si Angelo. Yeah, so kumusta na? Yeah, so Angelo salamat and ride safe lagi, okay? Okay. Thank you, Sir Angelo. I hope you enjoy the motorcycle and ride safe always. Okay, my project today is to do the final upgrade of this bike. So I'm going to be adding this. This is an ammo box and it will be placed right here. And for those who are still new to this channel, hi, I'm Aries Arriesgado and my passion is making different projects and showing you how I do it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's do it now! Motorcycle saddlebag ammo box! Woo! Okay, now that we have removed all the necessary parts of the bike, because we're going to do some minor welding. But first, we are going to disconnect all the important wirings of the bike due to mock-up design and some minor tack welding. So when you make an ammo box bracket, make sure that it is safe for you and your motorcycle. So I am looking at this part here where the turn signal of the motorcycle is located, and then there is a access here where the rear footrest is actually attached and located. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very sturdy bracket. I just connected it from the turn signal light bracket and down to the rear footrest bracket. This is where the footrest is connected. So don't ever do this because I saw someone made a video that he connected the bracket of the ammo box from the seat frame. That's correct. But he connected it down to the swing arm over here. So don't ever do that because it will affect the stability of your bike. So it is very dangerous.